What's going on today? I'm out here in the woods. Well, halfway I got the old gun right here. We're doing a little bit of squirrel hunt. I did post a video, but it takes a really long time for it to upload. I ain't posted all weekend. I don't know what's wrong with me. I had things to do, you know. My birthday was Saturday. So yeah. When I get set up, I'll get back with you. Hey guys, we're supposed to be squirrel hunting, but I just hear a lot of birds. We might just shoot some birds. I got my gun sighted in finally. It took me long enough. So yeah. We're walking down this path. I'm gonna see if my friend wants to come out here and shoot with me. Well guys, I'm seeing some birds. And they're just not in shooting range. There's one right there and there's one up in that tree. Oh wow, I missed it. Oh, there's another one. Let me try to see him. Guys, I'll get back with you when I see another one. Okay guys, bro, I found some birds. I'm gonna set y'all down. Guys, oh, you're in this tree. I think they're better. Okay guys, I found one, but I can't shoot it because it's in somebody else's yard. I'm scared it's gonna hit a house. Well, there's actually a bank beside it, so I think I'll go ahead and take it. Actually, there's one right there. I'm gonna get him. Now guys, this stupid freaking dog over here ruined my chances to kill a bird. Now I don't see them. They're all over there, and oh wait, here's one. Here we go. Here we go. Where's he go? Oh wow. Going way over there. Now, I might be going to go kill some squirrels in a minute with my stepsister. I don't know. This is a gun, and it's got the power. I just found out it's got a power of a 9mm, and I already sighted it in, like I said a while ago. So I'll get back with you when I get it. When I get a bird. Okay, guys, I think I just saw a bird over here. I'm gonna check it out. If I didn't, no, I didn't. I know where some are. I don't know why I didn't think of coming over here in the first place. That's where I saw a lot of birds last time. Now guys, I'm doing a giveaway like I said, and it's going to be epic. It's going to be way better than the air gun. Ooh, it's going to cost me a lot of money too, so just to give y'all info about that. If I can get 50 subscribers, there's a bird. If I can get 50 subscribers and 700 likes on this video, I'll do it. Now, I'm going to get back with you when I get my sights on this bird. Okay guys, where I hear the bird walking around, sounds like a squirrel, but I know it ain't because I saw him. Now I hear some birds, you can't hear them. Here. Y'all hear it? It's pretty close. I'm gonna walk over here and see if I can get him. If I can, I don't know what we're doing. There's this dog behind me that scared the crap out of me. Dog's scaring away my birds and stuff. I got a GoPro now. I'm just trying to figure out. I forgot. I really don't know how to upload my videos. Pretty sad. Oh, I see one, guys. I'm gonna set y'all down for a second. That dog scared that freaking bird away. Thank God they let him in the house. Now that bird was big. And I just missed my shot at him. Can't believe that. It's like, I can't believe it because that dog was barking too bad. Y'all could probably hear that. We're coming out right now of the woods. Holy crap, guys, I just noticed over there. Look, there's a tree there, my trampoline. It's got a hole in it. Y'all see that? There's a bird right there. Where'd he go? Oh, see you guys. Okay, back. I'll catch back with you when I see him. Okay, guys, I see him. I'm gonna set y'all up. He's in that little tree right there. I see him, and I'm trying to get him. Guys, I think he flew away. Nope, he didn't. Where'd he go? Okay, I see him. Come on, I gotta get my sights on him. Where'd he go, dude? I can't see him now. Okay, I still see him. Guys, I only got one pellet with me right now. So guys, I'm just gonna keep y'all watching that. Keep y'all watching that. And yep, can y'all see the gun? Yeah, the bird is up in that tree where the gun's pointing right there. Now I'm trying to get him. I can't get my good sights on him. So I'm trying to look around with my scope. See if I can see him. Guys, I think he flew away. I don't see him. Whoop! I think I just did. I don't know, dude. He just, I don't know. That might be. Yeah, I see him. I got him. Dang it, guys. I think I actually got him. Okay, well, I'm gonna walk around the house and I'm gonna go see. Now, that thing shook the camera. This thing's powerful. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 2 videos. I'm gonna make one of them. I'm gonna take a piece of paper, put a rock in it, and I'm just gonna shoot it like a Dumbo. Like with a musket. You know what I'm talking about, guys? Why don't you take a paper towel and do it? I know that's stupid, but I just wanna see what it would do. If it gets stuck down in my barrel, I can easily just keep on pumping it and shoot it out because this thing's powerful. Now, I took a shot at him. I saw him at first. I honestly think I missed him by a hair. Cause I saw him shut the stupid gate. Guys, I think he's on the ground right there. Guys, I think I hit him. I think I got my bird. I got him. Yeah, man. Guys, I think I hit him. Let's see, I'm not gonna look away from the camera. I don't want to be surprised. Oh, actually, yeah, I am. Is that him? Dang it. It's not him. It's kind of scared me at first. It looked like a freaking bird that was hurt and like about to attack me. Are you freaking serious, dude? I'll get back to you with you when I do that thing. It's gonna be pretty cool to find out what's gonna happen. Okay, guys, I got it. I'm just gonna test it with this paper towel. Set y'all up right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cock the gun. This thing right here. Wet it. Okay, and just, oops. Put it down this barrel. Like so. Now, I tell y'all how fast it goes out and what it does. It needs weight. As y'all can tell, that thing was loud. Now, I'm gonna go get a rock and put it in it and ball it up. Yeah, I'll be right back. Well, guys, I couldn't find that paper towel, so I'm gonna do, oh, there it is. But I got something that might work. It's a rock. Just, it's like really, I don't know, so I'll fit down my barrel. Yep, perfect. Let me see if I can shoot something. I don't know what that did. Now, guys, I'm gonna get the paper towel. I'm gonna do it like I thought I was gonna do it. I'm gonna leave y'all right there. Let's see what we can find. Okay, I found it. Okay, guys, but that's messed up. I'm running the house for a second. Okay, guys, I got the paper. Okay, well, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll it up real skinny, like this. Then I'm just gonna do that. Then I'm just gonna roll it up like this. Then I'm just gonna take it, slide it right there. I need one of them. I need a real musket. Now I'm just gonna practice shoot it. Oh well, it's not even cocked. Now I know where it fits it. Wet it. Roll it back into a little ball, like so, and then just stick it around your barrel, like that. Now then just cock your gun and just aim it where you want it and just... Guys, surprisingly, it did not work. That's actually surprising me. I thought it was gonna work. All the power this thing's got. Now this gun's oh crap, I hit the table. This gun's extremely loud. Now. Boom. That moved that moved my camera. Now, is it really loud? Now, I'm just gonna see what this gun can shoot out of it. Now, you know what I actually might do? I might just put a round in it, then do something like that. Yeah, it'll shoot out then. Yeah, it should do it. Actually, I got some gunpowder. I'm stupid, but I got some gunpowder. Guys, I got the gunpowder, it's in my hand. So I pour it in my gun. Come on, go in there. Go in there. Okay, I got that in there. Let me get the paper towel to plug it. Now, if this don't shoot, I'm just gonna stop. I'm gonna go hunting again. It's tight. Let's see what happens. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna shoot this tree. Well, guys, it did not work. There's a bird right there, but it's not in my yard, so I can't shoot that. Let me see if I got this pellet out of here. I'm gonna get some paint pellets, and I'm gonna shoot this bird. I see one right here. I'm gonna catch you back. Guys, I got the pellet in the gun. Now I'm gonna go to the bird. I mean, it's not in my yard, but they don't care if I shoot at birds in their yard. Plus, it's in a huge tree, so they wouldn't mind. And plus, they're really nice. Dude, there's one right there. Have a set y'all down. Guys, I hit him. I hit him, guys. Ain't you proud of me? Okay, guys, I'm gonna set y'all up because I didn't have time that time. Okay, this is where I'm at. He was right there on the ground, like that close. You know, all I gotta do is... Oh, damn. Let me just go get the pellets. I'm gonna leave y'all right there. But I think I shot him. He was really tiny. Put a bullet back in here, around. And all we gotta do is wait for another one, which I think there's one coming. They're all back here. Are you serious, dude? They've been way back here and I ain't even noticed it. Yep, one right there. I don't know if I can get him. Let's try it. Okay, perfect spot. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I lost the visual. Yep, I can't get him now. But guys, this is probably not gonna work out well because I'm shooting free-handed. You know what I mean? Y'all gonna stay with me? Okay. They have a time limit. So guys, I see him now. I'm just gonna leave y'all right there. Dang it! Ow, that hurt. Okay, I see one. I'm gonna drop him. Where's he at now? Hold on. He's fly off. Nope, he's still there. Can't get a shot. Dang it, where'd he go? He's in that tree now. Farther. Where'd he do that noise? Dang it. Wait, I see him. You guys, it's hard to hold free-handed. I'm gonna pause you guys when I get a shot on one.